Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best cleaning gloves are probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools in any household, offering an indispensable barrier between your hands and harsh chemicals, grime, and bacteria, ensuring your skin stays protected, soft, and free from irritation while tackling even the toughest cleaning tasks, making your chores safer and significantly more hygienic. Number 5. FifthPulse Black Vinyl Disposable Gloves. Discover the reliable protection you need. These gloves are designed for a wide range of tasks, ensuring safety and hygiene. Crafted from high-quality black vinyl, they offer excellent durability and a professional appearance. You can trust them for consistent performance. Say goodbye to messy powder residue. They are completely powder-free, keeping your hands and workspace clean. Concerned about latex allergies? These are 100% latex-free, providing a safe option for sensitive users and patients. Engineered to meet medical exam standards, they offer dependable barrier protection. They are suitable for healthcare settings and various professional uses. For superior protection, comfort, and peace of mind, choose these dependable disposable gloves. They are the smart choice for any task requiring hand safety. What we like? These sleek black vinyl gloves offer a professional look and medical-grade safety. If you are looking for reliable protection without latex or powder, these are an excellent choice. They are ideal for healthcare settings or detailed tasks requiring a clean, allergen-free environment. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Gusto Disposable Vinyl Gloves. Introducing our premium disposable vinyl gloves. They offer reliable protection for a variety of tasks. These gloves are completely latex-free and powder-free. This ensures they are safe for everyone, even those with sensitivities. Rest assured, they are also BPA-free. This makes them a healthy choice for all your needs. Perfect for all your food handling needs. They provide a hygienic barrier, keeping your food safe and clean. Whether you're cooking up a storm or tackling tough cleaning jobs, these gloves are your go-to solution. They offer dependable protection for every task. What we like? These clear vinyl gloves are specifically designed for food safety, being both BPA-free and latex-free. If you are handling food regularly for cooking or catering, these provide essential peace of mind. They are perfect for maintaining hygiene in the kitchen without compromising on visibility. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to select from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate the requested points. Number 3. Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves. Discover the ultimate in hand protection. These gloves are engineered for a wide range of demanding tasks, offering both reliability and comfort. Crafted with a robust 6mm thickness, they provide superior durability. This heavy-duty design ensures they won't easily tear or puncture during demanding jobs. Experience enhanced safety with their chemical-resistant properties. They form a strong barrier against various substances, keeping your hands protected. From medical examinations to food preparation, they are incredibly versatile. They meet the highest standards for hygiene and safety in diverse environments. Tackle tough cleaning jobs with confidence. Being disposable, they offer convenience and maintain hygiene, making cleanup effortless. What we like? When you need serious protection, these heavy-duty black nitrile gloves are your go-to. If you are dealing with harsh chemicals or demanding cleaning tasks, their 6mm thickness offers superior resistance. They are best suited for industrial use, automotive work, or any situation requiring maximum durability. What people say. Number 2. Keppi 600 Disposable Food Prep Gloves. These gloves are perfect for all your kitchen needs, from catering events to daily meal prep. They help maintain hygiene when handling various foods, making them a versatile choice for any task. Crafted from high-quality clear polyethylene, they offer dependable tear resistance. Their flexible fit ensures comfortable handling of utensils and quick changes between tasks without sacrificing dexterity. These are made from food-safe materials, completely BPA-free, latex-free, and powder-free. This makes them ideal for direct food contact and safe for individuals with latex sensitivities. Whether you're a home cook, a professional chef, or running a food truck, these gloves are designed for you. They provide reliable, disposable protection for high-volume food service in any setting. This value 600 pack ensures you're always stocked for busy kitchens and events. It's ideal for reducing reorders and provides a consistent supply for all your food handling needs. What we like. For high-volume food preparation, these clear polyethylene gloves offer an unbeatable value. If you are running a busy kitchen, catering events, or simply need a large, cost-effective supply, this 600 pack is ideal. They provide flexible, tear-resistant protection for all your cooking and food handling needs. What people say. The gloves offer good protection for hands during various cleaning tasks. They are designed to be durable and resist tearing. The material provides a secure grip for handling wet items. Number 1. Inspire Cobalt Blue Nitrile Disposable Gloves 4.5 ml. Introducing our premium disposable gloves. They offer superior protection and comfort for a variety of tasks, ensuring your hands are always safe. Crafted from durable 4.5 ml nitrile, these gloves provide excellent puncture resistance. You can trust them for reliable performance in any situation. Designed for safety, they are ideal for medical examinations and other sensitive tasks. You can maintain hygiene and protection with confidence while wearing them. Beyond professional use, these are perfect for everyday household chores. Use them for cooking, cleaning, or any task requiring hand protection. Experience a comfortable fit that allows for dexterity and ease of movement. They are easy to put on and take off, making your task simpler and more efficient. Enjoy the convenience of disposable gloves, ensuring a fresh pair for every task. Simply use and discard them, maintaining optimal cleanliness and hygiene. What we like. These vibrant Cobalt Blue Nitrile gloves offer a distinctive look while providing excellent all-around protection. If you are looking for a versatile glove suitable for medical exams, cooking, or general cleaning, these are a great choice. Their 4.5 ml thickness provides a good balance of dexterity and durability for various tasks. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.